Mix banana and oat flakes and you'll be surprised with the result. To begin our recipe, we need 2 bananas. Let's peel them. Then let's mash them with a fork. We'll set them aside. For the next part, let's put in a bowl 3½ ounces of oat flakes and half a cup of milk. Let's mix them. Now we'll put the bananas. Let's mix again. Let's add 1 egg, 1 dash of salt, 1 dash of baking powder, and some cinnamon powder. And let's mix these ingredients. Guys, take this moment to leave me in the comments where are you watching us from. I would love to know how far our video got. This is how it needs to be. Let's grease a pan with olive oil. And put the batter. We'll make these little portions with a spoon. Don't forget to use low heat so it doesn't burn. Let's put 1 more. We leave them frying for a while. After that, let's turn them over to fry the other side. If you're enjoying this recipe, don't forget to like the video. That really helps our work. I like this recipe because it's a different, easy, and healthy option. When they're like this, we can take them out. You can add some honey if you like. And our recipe is ready. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. A big kiss and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.